Hello everyone, how to restore unsaved Word document. You can see my Word document. You can see the top side, the document to your name showing. And here I typed my data and here I typed the Learn Microsoft Word Essential. After that, I close this, go to the right hand side and close this. And here the save dialog box is open. And here I by mistakenly click on the don't save. Now my document is not saved. To recover this unsaved document, go to the left hand side, click on the search icon and type here Word and click on the Word document and wait for the few seconds. And here, just scroll down, click on the more documents. You can see right hand side bottom and here in bottom side, recover unsaved documents option. Just click on it and here you see your unsaved document location here open in your laptop or computer. Okay, so you can check here the name of document and date modified. So recent document here I just unsave the Learn Microsoft Word. I just click on to restore it and click on the open and it's done. It's recovered unsaved file. Click on the save as and you can select your destination where you want to save and click on the save and it's done. So this is the way you can recover your unsaved Microsoft Word. And the second way, go to the file tab, click on the last option, then here the Word option is open, then left hand side click on the save option and here you can see option the auto save file stored in the cloud by default in the Word and here the auto recover file location. You just select the location and copy this and go to the your file explorer. So here I open my file explorer, press the window key plus E shortcut key, open the file explorer. Then I maximize this dialog box and left hand side I click on this PC and the right hand side in search box I paste here the location path. Okay, then press the enter and wait for the few seconds to search your unsaved file. You can see unsaved file here search. So simply double click on it and open this Word file and save in your computer. So that's it. And here the one bonus tip. So here I open again Word document. And here the one bonus tip in save documents. Second option, save auto recover information every. So enter here the 1 minute. Okay, 1 minutes. Then save auto record information every 1 minute. Okay, and second is keep the last auto record version if I close without saving. This also make sure option is checked, both option is checked. This increase the chances of recovery your work if the word closed by mistakenly. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.